So here's how my car turned out, except that this is after one drive. Um, I actually stayed out all night the other night to finish it, and I actually didn't do the windows again, but I did finish the car, and I just came back from the gym, so I might have picked up some dirt, but all in all, you can see it's pretty clean from the cleaning I did the other day. I even did the rims, just wiping them. The rims are a bit damaged from the weather. I did a really good wiping of the top here. It's strange it looks that way. I never actually seen it before, but there you go. It's nice and shiny. You can see the shine on the car. I don't know if the product made it shine or if it was just shiny underneath all that dirt. So that part I don't know about. But it did all the wiping and cleaning and made the car really shiny. So that's it for the walk around. Yeah, I'm gonna try the product moving forward, and we'll see how it works next time. But so far I like the results. I didn't have to use a hose at all, and well, since this place I'm living at doesn't have a hose, so it's either bring your car to the car wash or get a waterless cleaner like the one I showed you. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Yeah, have a great day. Thanks. Bye.